Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your pet care with Chewy step by step clearly. First, visit the Chewy website or download the Chewy app on your mobile device. Create an account by entering your email address and a secure password. Once logged in, use the search bar to find the specific pet product you need. Explore the various categories such as food, toys, and grooming supplies. Compare different brands and products based on your pet's needs. Read product reviews and ratings from other pet owners for better insights. Add your selected items to your shopping cart. If you have specific dietary needs for your pet, utilize the filtering options to narrow down your choices. Check for any ongoing promotions or discounts on the homepage. Once your shopping cart is ready, proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping information and select your preferred delivery method. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Input your payment details securely. After placing the order, you'll receive a confirmation email with tracking details. Monitor your order status through the Chewy website or app. When your package arrives, unbox your new pet supplies. Introduce any new toys or food gradually to your pet for a smooth transition. Stay updated on Chewy's subscription options for regular deliveries. Consider joining Chewy's rewards program if available for additional benefits. Explore Chewy's customer service for any questions or concerns regarding your order. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.